This is my brush and I'm gonna stick beside it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Shelly, and if you've already been here, as always, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel by clicking on this video, and welcome back. Now in today's video, as you can tell from the title, we're going to be doing my current beauty favorites or my Sephora favorites at the moment. I'm really excited about this one because you guys actually requested it, but I have quite a few favorites from Sephora, but there are just a few of them that I would recommend to you guys. I know that the average person is not buying makeup every single day or even just any beauty products every single day. So I wanted to keep this very realistic, and since Sephora has the sale going on right now, I figured what time better than now than to let you guys know what my favorite products are, or just products that I have used up and that I need to go and restock on. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the video, but before we do that, if you aren't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and make sure that you're leaving me some comments down below letting me know what your current beauty favorites are. Maybe I can try out some of you guys' favorite products that I have yet to use on my channel. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So first up is foundation. My current favorite foundation at the moment is Estee Lauder Double Wear Sheer Longwear Makeup. I started using this in my Sephora sponsored video that I did a few months ago or a couple months back. That foundation does give a very skin-like look, and I'm really into that. As you guys know, I do a lot of soft glam looks on my channel. I focus a lot on skincare. So because of that, I love to ensure that most of the time when I'm going out the house or when I'm just running errands, reach for this foundation because it's super lightweight, it's not cakey, and it doesn't even look like you're wearing anything on your skin. Plus it has the SPF in it. So it's a plus to me. Next up for foundation, I've had this one for a while, but I still wanted to throw it in there because it is one of my favorites. It's the Huda Beauty foundation stick in the shade Mocha. I use this foundation all the time, you guys. And some of the times when I use it, I just use it to spot correct. Because it's a cream, it's very easy to blend, and I don't have to worry about it drying down and leaving any lines of demarcation on my skin. I can just blend it out easily, and it gives a very skin-like look, but it also provides full coverage. And now we have contour. This is the Makeup by Mario contour. I use the shade Dark Deep. This is his contour stick. The reason why I really do like this one is because it comes with a brush. So it's double-ended. It has the product on this side and the brushes on this side. I love products like these because it makes life so much easier. The less I have to carry or lug around with me, or the less I have to reach for, the better, in my opinion, especially because most of the time I'm doing looks that are very quick and easy. So when you have a product that has the brush at the end, I mean, why would you not reach for that? It beats having to look for the product and then look for a brush to use the product. So I really like this. It's super creamy, easy to blend, and you guys know I've really been into using creams first and layering with powder. This is definitely one of the products that I do grab all the time. And now we're moving on to blush. For blush, I have two favorites. I've told you guys about this other one in my last beauty favorites, but we're back again with it. So this one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Blush. It's in the shade Pink Dahlia, the one that I like to use, and I'll show you guys what it looks like if it's not too ugly on the inside. Yeah, this has been used quite a few, but again, I'm really into the creams right now, so I do use this blush quite often. And another good thing about it, it comes with a brush at the end. So again, just like the Mario product, it just makes it much easier when you have a brush at the end of the product, and you don't have to waste time searching for different brushes or switching between different brushes because it's already right there within your reach. You don't gotta worry about it. The other blush product is Savage Blush by NARS. I told you guys, I always tell you guys, in probably every tutorial or every other tutorial, this is one of my favorite blushes. It's absolutely gorgeous on the skin. And one of the things that I love about NARS blushes is that they do have a little bit of frost in them, so it adds that highlighted look. I'm actually wearing it right now, but it gives that highlighted look, so you don't even need highlight. You could just throw this on and it kills two birds with one stone. I don't know if I'm just lazy or anyway, really do love this. Next up is powder. The powder that I use quite often. Pretty much all these products are the products that I used in my Sephora tutorial. But I love them. These are products that I would tell you guys to reach for. So this is the Sephora Micro Smooth Multitasking Baked Face Powder. I use the shade Almond. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this powder gives the skin such a flawless, almost like a filtered look. It gives like that airbrush look, and in my opinion it's more on the affordable end of the spectrum. So I say go for it, I say grab it, I say reach for it, because it is honestly it's that good. This is one of my favorite powders. I use it quite often, so yeah, I would recommend that you guys grab this one in the sale if you haven't already. Now for brows, if you're gonna get anything from Sephora as far as brows goes, or any brow product, get this. This is the Huda Beauty Bomb Brows Micro Shade Brow Pencil in the shade Black Brown. You guys, this brow pencil, I'm actually all out. I'm all out. So I have to go pick up more. This is, I finished the pencil yesterday. I have to go pick up another one, but this brow pencil is so thin, it gives you the hair-like strokes, and it's super pigmented and easy to use. What I like most about this brow pencil is the precision. You will have the most beautiful brows. This is my second pencil since when did I use this? Or when did I do this Sephora video? I think back in August. This is my second pencil since then. I use this every day. When I say every day, I'm talking, y'all know I barely have any brows. So every day I use this all the time. It's that good. It's that good. Like I said, I'm all out. This is my second pencil. I gotta go get another one. Now for brushes, I know I didn't do this in my last one. I don't think I did this, no. Now for brushes, I really want to touch on these two because you guys see me use these all the time. Just about every tutorial for the last couple of months, I use these brushes, especially this one. This one is a foundation brush. It is the Pro Foundation brush. It's a Sephora brush. It's the number 47 brush. I use it for concealer, but it is a foundation brush. I kind of switch between both and use it for foundation sometimes and concealer, which again is a plus. I feel like it really blends out the products the way that I like. And when I find a good brush, you guys, I stick with it. This is my brush and I'm gonna stick beside it, like, period. This one, she's here to stay. This is the number 50. It is a powder brush. This one is so good. I really love the way that it feels on my skin. That is how I choose my brushes, based off of how it feels on my skin. If it's super soft on my skin, I love that. Sometimes I love for a brush to be a little dense, more so when I'm doing eyeshadow, but when I'm doing my face, I like for a brush to feel soft against my skin because we're not trying to age her, okay? Get you some good brushes in your kit and you're good to go. Again, like I said, this is the number 50. It's a powder brush and it does just that. It does the job. Now, while we're on the topic of face, I'm gonna also talk about my favorite setting spray. She is that girl, okay? This is the Professional Super Setter by Benefit. I use this every time I do my makeup. Even if I use a different setting spray at the end, I'm always setting with this one. I just love the way that it's misty, the way that it sprays. It's a mist. I don't even know if you can see that, but I just like the fact that it doesn't leave those like water drops or droplets on my face. I don't like when that happens from any setting spray, but this one, it's misty and it sets the makeup and it melts the makeup together. You don't have to worry about looking super powdery. I hate the super powdery look. So this one definitely gets the job done with that. It melts everything together and your skin just looks so flawless. She's that girl too, not gonna lie. When it comes to skincare, you guys know I use a lot of drugstore products for my skincare routine. However, this right here, this lip mask, and we're approaching the colder months now. Everyone needs to invest in a good lip mask. It's the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. You will see it everywhere, all over social media, because it really is that good. Everyone is using the lip mask at this point. But like I said, it really is that good. It's super moisturizing. I like the fact that it's a lip sleeping mask. I put it on before bed, and when I wake up in the morning, my lips are nice and plump and moisturized, and that's what I need because my lips are too big to be dry. period. Now, the final product that I would recommend that you guys pick up, because we all should be smelling good, okay? And I know a lot of us are trying to build up our fragrance collection, is the Nest perfume in the scent Indigo. You guys, if you know me, then you know that this is one of my favorite fragrances. You guys, it's a head turner. It smells so good. I'm not really a fragrance connoisseur, but I know what smells good. This one smells really good. It's a head turner. Not many people talk about it because they sleep. We're gonna wake them up when you walk past them smelling like this. I'm not gonna lie to you. It smells so good and it's super sexy. It's perfect for nighttime. It's perfect for the fall. I'm about to spray it on right now because I just can't. It smells so good. Like I said, it smells so good. It's a head turner. I get so many compliments on this fragrance. So if you're on the hunt for a fragrance or a new scent, check this one out. You will not be disappointed. One thing about me, I do know what smells good, okay? Anyway, you guys, that is it for my Sephora beauty favorites or my current beauty favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me in today's video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Also, leave me some comments down below. Let me know what your current beauty favorites are. I am always open to recommendations. I want to know, what are you guys loving these days? If you haven't already, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Again, thank you guys so much for all of your support on my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.